It's Bobby Shealy, your favorite Charleston, South Carolina real estate agent and cookbook author. Hey, listen, I just want to put it out there. I do public speaking. I've done women's groups, retirement groups, horticultural groups, garden club groups. Charleston Magazine had a big event with about 140 people, Charleston Magazine Club, let me correct that. And it was well attended. I do cooking demos. So if you have a club or an organization and you're looking for a speaker, I would love to speak. The only thing I ask for is that it be a book signing, and I will sell my books at a discount to the group. And I love to do this. My talks are fun. You can ask anybody who's ever attended one. You're not going to be bored, I can promise you. And you might laugh a little bit too, because I just lay it out there like it is about how my life came to be and how at almost 65 years old, I've written a cookbook, and I'm out there doing real estate and the cookbook. Real estate's my bread and butter. This is my fat and cream cheese. So if anybody needs a public speaker for any of your events out there, I'm wide open. I would love to do it. My garden here at my home has been used as a venue for events. That's also a possibility. So keep that in mind, keep that out there. And listen, I appreciate everybody that follows me, everybody that's bought my book, and I just appreciate y'all. Thank you so much.